Welcome to the introductory part. My name is Pawan Patil and I am going to introduce with the website we are going to build in this series. So in this series we are going to build the e-commerce website using Python, Django, HTML and Bootstrap. So this is the front end of our project. We have added some products here as well as some filters here. Buttons like cart, orders, logout, login and sign up as general websites. You can see the paginations. Also we can see the more about our products, as well we can add to the carts, as well as you can see the cart page here. We can check out, we can log in for the checkout. As you can see the checkout page, so we can fill our status is placed and the date is November 13th. Okay, now we are going to see how the filters works. So as you can see, we can filter the products using the brand names as well as neck types as well as colors. So as you can see here, we can using gender also as well as sleeves. We can clear filters also. Okay, now this is it for our front end. Now I will show you the back end of our product. So yes, you can see here the backend of this project. So this is users. I have applied some staff status also for account, as well as this is a main account. You can see the orders here, the payments here, all the things we have added to backend we can see on the admin panel. So I am going to show you how we can do this in the next video series. So stay tuned and like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.